Okay, guys, we're back out to the farm. Just dropped some building supplies out for Monday. Gonna start back work Monday, but basically they got everything all on after we left, and we're getting ready to come back in and take and put rendering on the hollow block. He's gonna render tomorrow afternoon the hollow block so that it'll be ready for us to come out. We'll put the roof on and then paint. Gonna paint the outside and the inside of it with epoxy paint so that it stays well. And then tile the floor on Tuesday and set the toilet. So it'll be all ready to go. Make the door. We're gonna make the door on Monday. I forgot about the door, but that's what the supplies was we brought, was a tile, the toilet, and the skin for the door, metal skin for the door. So coming along good. Pretty fancy farm toilet, but that's all right.
Good job, guys.
Good deal. It'll be here forever. Well, once again, good morning. It's Monday. We're back out at the farm. Today's election day, so we're getting a little later start. But today and tomorrow, we're trying to finish up the CR project, and this here get some dirt and rock down on it. So we're ready for Saturday. But so we got some painting to do. Put the roof on, a little tile work to get today, and some rendering. And then they painted on the storage shed, got some red oxide on it just to help prevent the rusting. So we'll see how that stays and goes. It's kind of a test to see. It'll eventually get changed to a different color, but we wanted to stop the rust. So everything's about got to be painted here because of the rust. But other than that, that's what our plan is today.
Wow!
Good. Good, bro. Good. You? Good. Right here. Trying to mix paint, trying to stir up the paint. I should have had them put it in the paint shaker before we brought it because all the pigment's not mixed up in it. So we're gonna have to spend some time mixing. But
What kind of paint is that?
It's epoxy paint, epoxy primer. We're getting it ready for the building, but we got to mix it in batches, small batches, so that it don't set off too fast.
Okay.
Fast, once we get it mixed up, it's got to set 10 minutes before you paint.
Oh, really?
But we have to mix it now.
Mix it now.
May butsa na.
No, we have a brand new one.
The brand new one's in there in the Jeep somewhere.
Oh,
Hanapin mo dun sa akong bagong grocery doon.
Brushes. Yeah, the brand new one's in the paint brushes.
So the rendering inside it already started, guys. Gano daw kakapal ang ipalagay ni Charles? Wala siyang sinabi.
Whatever. Bahala.
They're done on the other side now. Looks good. Tapos na din siya, guys. Ayan. Paano na lang siya? Tawag din nun, finish na lang yung tawag din para ma-plain siya ba? Maayos siya. Lunchtime! What we have, Darren? Your favorite?
Chicken adobo.
Oh my goodness.
I like
The chicken adobo. His favorite. Andito si Dondon. Andito si Charles. Love.
Morning.
Morning, lunchtime na, uy.
No, no, no.
Still morning. I'm eating lunch.
Tanghali.
Tanghali na. How many cuts you got already? 2 already? 4?
Only one
One pa lang.
for now.
Got a lot of adobo, guys. Look at that. Ang dami.
Well, we finally got the important thing up. We got the hammock. I got a place I can hang my hammock now.
Too heavy.
I know. I'm too heavy for the hammock, huh?
There.
Nope, I'm not getting out. That's Daddy's hammock.
Daddy is relaxing. That's
Daddy
Daddy's
bought
hammock.
this hammock 3 years ago. Wasn't it 2 years ago?
It's before, I think before she was born. I'm not really sure.
Yeah.
I think we got it before she was born, or she just like 1 month.
She's like 1 month
1
old.
month
So
old.
it's 3 years old almost. So enjoying the hammock now for lunch.
Outside render now, guys. Let's check the inside. It's not totally done in here. Are you totally done in here, Reynold? Are you done in here, Reynold?
Yeah.
Oh, they're just done the frame of the door, guys, but the tin sheets is not.
The tin sheet we're gonna put on to the front is gonna stiffen it up so it won't be so wobbly. Right now it's still stiff. It's really stiff.
Mm-hmm.
But you put that tin sheet on and it's gonna make it even more rigid.
What's
It won't
this-
flex or bend any. So
What's the size of this door?
82 by 31. 31 and a quarter, like that. But 31 by 82.
That's the sheets there.
You mentioned something about 2 drill bits you saw. Do you know where you saw them at?
It's in the car.
Okay.
In the glove box in your seats.
In the seat. Okay.
Yeah. So my brother is painting inside, guys. It's almost done. And Charles and Darren is making the door, and also Jose.
You don't have to go tight, just a little bit to hold it. It just won't fall off. We'll go like. Well, right now we're getting ready to put the skin on the door. We're going to skin it, trim it to size, and then we're ribboning it down just to kind of keep it look a little nicer with the instead of the big-headed screws. So that's what we're trying to do now. We thought it was easier to do while I was laying down here than hanging
There's
up.
5:30 seconds.
That's what it says. Try just slide it in the hole.
We also have a metal
Yeah,
bracket, too.
when we cut this off, then we'll find the bar and put our center hole.
Not that bad.
putting the roof on right now, trying to get the roof metal on, and we got to square it up with the building. Do the bottom straight. I know. So you just have to fudge it a little bit each way.
The bottom is alright.
Is the bottom?